Okay, let me see here. Yeah, is your name Chrissy?
Yeah. Chrissy.
Oh, okay. Well, you had an appointment scheduled for the nail salon with Miss Yokoi-san, right?
Yeah.
Well, she's not here right now, but.
I'm there!